Alright Caillou, I'm going to turn you into a chicken. No, classic Caillou, don't turn me into a chicken or I'll call your parents right now. Too late bro, I am going to turn you into a chicken now. Ha 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 ha. Caillou, you are so ridiculous. Oh my God. Classic Caillou. How dare you turning me into a chicken? You know what? That's it. I call your parents. Mom and Dad, are you here? Classic Caillou made a big trouble.
Oh my God, Caillou. What happened to you? Why are you a chicken now?
Because classic Caillou turned me into a chicken and now he's in a big trouble.
Oh, classic Caillou, how dare you turning Caillou into a chicken?
Make him like he was before.
Alright, fine. It's much better. Now you are grounded for 9 months.
Go to your room right now.
Washington. Hey.